Friday and everyone's going to be finishing work soon. So we've got a few things planned for the weekend. But this is what happens during the week. It's Italian evening. Good evening, everyone. Hello.
Hi! I am Anna Paola. I am from Italy.
Italy. And what are we cooking?
Carbonara.
Carbonara.
Oh yeah, and pizza.
Yeah, but this is like, what's going on here? What's this?
Cheese.
Wow. Is that a pizza?
Oh yeah.
That's a big pizza. For the chef again, come on! Woo! What's going on here?
I'm making some DIY sushi set.
Yeah?
Okay. Yes. I bought some ingredients from supermarket or somewhere Asian market.
So what's the theme? What's the theme? What kind of food is this?
This is sushi.
Sushi?
Sushi.
Cool.
Yes.
It looks great.
Great. Yes.
Are you a chef? I mean, do you know how to do all this stuff?
Yeah, I did it from the morning. This
Right.
morning I started, then takes like, I'm not sure, like 5 hours.
5 hours?
Yes.
Wow.
Almost.
But have you done this before? I mean, like, do you know how to make sushi all the time, or?
Not really.
Huh?
Yeah, sometimes I do sushi in Japan,
Right.
but not all the time, not every day, not like special day, like
Wow.
party or birthday.
Good. So we're honoured. Well, I can't wait to try this food. This looks fantastic.
rice again. A little bit.
That's why you have to boil the rice before to make it sticky.
Yes. Yeah. Okay. So now I'm gonna make it raw with it. Oh, broken, but it's okay. Make it raw, hold tight, then roll again. Oh, shrimp has gone. It's okay, okay, no problem. Okay, we're done.
You know how to do it now, can you show us?
Yeah. I just watched the video you
Yeah.
sent, so
Yeah, you can put some rice on the left side. Okay. Just let some ingredients what you like. 2 or 3 ingredients. Too much is mixed.
So how often would you eat sushi in Japanese in
Sushi?
Japan?
For me, maybe once a month.
Once. Okay, so it's not like
Not like
fish
usual.
and chips. Put glue in it.
No! Just water.
Just water. Water. I'm teaching them incorrect English in this house. Water, darling. Keep going. So just think, rolling a Camberwell carrot, mate. Big round of applause for the chef. Come on.